for the introduction of Tamnan Plaza event. At your right side of the competition area, where there is face painting, origami, G-play workshop, handicraft, photo booth with props, magic and clown show, balloon twisting, global art booth, and golf course art sponsors booth. And don't forget our athlete competition with the hashtag of IAC 2015 Global Art Cambodia. Here in Global Art, embracing creativity and innovation for a better tomorrow is our motto. It's an international brand since 1999, and now we have more than 600 centers worldwide. And here in Global Art Cambodia, we start in the year 2012. And right now, we do have 4 centers located at Global